bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin gan bàbá olóyin original am saying at Yesi Ota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Yesi Ota. My phone number is on the screen 08108431336. The program you are watching today is Kini Show. Kini Show. You see it on the screen. Kini Show. The phone number 08108431336. Today, I want to tell you how you can command respect anywhere you go and you will be untouchable. How to command respect anywhere you go. Ẹnu ni o, ẹnu la tẹ́lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ fi ń pa èkúrò ojú ọ̀nà. I want to talk about palm kernel. This is palm kernel, èkúrò. But it is not just ordinary palm kernel. What we do with this palm kernel to make you to be untouchable. If anybody promise to do you evil, they will not fulfill it. They will not do it. Yes. How you can use palm kernel for it, I will tell you today. Get seated. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of all these books. African Power, Honey as a Medicine, Healing Power of Honey, Solution to Woman Problems. In this African Power, I told you about this orange peas. When you go to all those smaller that are selling oranges, or any tribe that are selling oranges, collect this thing, the peas, a portion. Collect it for them because that one will dry fast. After 2 days, that one will dry fast, unlike the one you peel in your house. The one you peel in your house will take longer time before it get dry. What we had to eat? Inú gbó lọ́sàn wà, ọmọ aráyé ló lànà lọ bá. Orange trees normally stay inside bush. It is human beings that we find road to find it. Aya lànà wà bẹ́ẹ̀. Even if I live inside the hole, as I'm talking like this, people from America, London, Canada, Japan, they used to visit me in my Ota place. In a very low environment, well, I thank God. People do appreciate me. Some people are sending clothes to me. Some people are sending money. Some people are sending camera. Some people are giving me gifts. And they will always be blessed by the special grace of God. Wherever you are staying, yes, some people will tell me, hey, the place I'm doing, people don't normally buy products. I say, which type of products are you using? Go and do this thing. Go and do this thing. Some people, when they see chase of cars that do visit me as a small boy, they used to be surprised. Yes, when they see some cars, one day somebody came to visit me, say, Baba, I'm from America. Another person say, we are from America. As you see me, I'm from London. Another person brought out his passport as well. More than 4 people, they met themselves there. Another person said, well, somebody sent me from Canada that I should buy the book for the person. Then the person was calling the person. I've reached my Boloyin place too. As a small boy, if you talk about following Resilo back, wherever you are staying, people will patronize you. People used to come from Lekki and Jaffa to Baboloyin. But if you want to visit me, you give me appointment because I'm not always available. So, orange peas, what you had to eat is in African Power book. I told you about excess. No matter how, the brooding fowl must reach the incubating center. Yes, how to do it. When you buy this book, you know how to do it. I told you about these rules. You can reduce your sugar level with this. Somebody call me and say, if you know how much you spending to treat diabetes, you will not sell the book for 5,000, 6,000. I said, well, this is how God designed it for me that I should be new. My new book is coming by December, by the special grace of God, before Christmas, by the special grace of God. African Power Part 2. African Power Part 2, where you will see how you can get back your runaway husband, runaway wife. You want to get visa, you want to get documents, you want to get papers. You are not able to get it. Wait for African Power Part 2. A brother was telling me about his junior brother that is, he went to a country I don't want to mention. Within 8 months, he was able to get paper, get everything in it. Then I told the senior brother that, look, before your brother traveled, he visited me. He said, I know my brother used to visit you. I said, yes. Maybe we are in the same town. Do you come to me? Your brother, I know how many things we did for the boy before he traveled. And when he reached that place, he received people's favor. They like him as if he's a citizen of that place. When the new book is out, you will see how you can get any paper you need, how to talk to authority. Where they know you, they don't know you, they give you respect. Yes, wait for African Power Part 2. I'm staying at Iyesota Babaoloyin bus stop, Iyesota. You can get my books in Lagos State. I have a branch at Mushin, number 4 Alukola Street, Mushin. At Oshodi, you can go to number 6 Everett Way, Alasia bus stop, Alasia, Oshodi. At Surulere, go to number 5C, Akerele Street Extension, opposite Power Holding, Akerele Surulere. At Bariga, go to number 36, Ilaje Road, Bariga. Don't forget African Power Part 2 is coming by December. Look at this thing. This is Ekurodwana. Yes, this is the pankane you can find on the road. Many people have smacked it. Yes. If somebody say want to arrest you, want to do bad thing to you, he will be promising. A person that is holding fire will never wait to settle fight with people. In Campbell, people get power. Africans get power. See, what you will do with this pankane, when you are going on the road, somebody can pick it for you in the village. You ask somebody to get it for you. Only one. You need only one. Ekurodwana. A pankane that some people are smart so far. Whenever they are going to the farm, they are going the road, they are going the street. In the town, you can get it. Because all these birds, they used to carry pankane. When they eat it, they used to drop it anywhere. The one you see on the road that people are smart, just buy shea butter, ori. Buy just shea butter. Rub it with this one. Rub it with it. Yes. When you rub it with it, you can put it in nylon. Put it in your pocket. Let it be in your pocket always. If somebody say want to kill this pankane, they will say tomorrow. If anybody want to do evil to you, they will be promising and they will get disappointed by the special grace of God. I told you when we were in the primary school, if we refuse to do our own work, there's a leaf. If we pluck it like this, we rub our face with it. Teacher will never beat us. Yes, I put it in African Power Part 2. I put it there, you see it there. There was a day we put Gamale 20 inside a river that villagers used to drink the water. In the night, they called the assembly in the village to Bale House, village head. They asked us to lie down, to prostrate. They brought a heavy stick, koboko and stick. They couldn't do anything. Somebody just rate it. Let us forgive them. They should not try again. All these people, they are our children. They are our children. See, my for a journey. Tabante kwa mandari jewe. Okongbe ya wo kóòtù. Ya wo ngbo lo kóòtù. Yes, don't say le loke on. Gbogbo la wa ngbon bi. Ba borí ẹjọ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ arẹ́jọ́ àtẹ̀bí àtàrí. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ arẹ́jọ́. Either guilty or not guilty, we don't pray for court cases. If you get court cases, how you can overcome it? Wait for me in African Power Part 2. But the book, very expensive. It's double the amount of this one that you used to buy. And some people are ready to pay. Like I said, they should hold on. Some people are paid. I said, I never fix price. They say, no, Baba, you can't sell it more than 20,000. I'm giving you 20,000. And if it is over it, I will still pay. But I said, I cannot return your money. The book is full package. African Power Part 2. Don't forget, you want to command respect anywhere you go, and you want to be untouchable, people will give you your own respect. In the African Power Part 2, you will see it. Ewe kile fi mi say, you can do me but nothing. You can do me but nothing. Ewe kile fi mi say, ewe me for command me. Ewe origin, you will see it there. Don't forget, my phone number is on the screen. WhatsApp messages only. WhatsApp messages only. 08108431336. Don't forget to watch my other channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television, Tantolong. Baba Oloyin Original Television, Tantolong. And some people are watching my son's channel as well. Mr. Last Born Comedy, Adewusi. Mr. Last Born Comedy. Help me subscribe to that channel, as well as you subscribe to Baba Oloyin Original Television, Tantolong. Because I used to feature on that channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy. I used to post some video there. Some of the things I cannot post here, I used to post for them in that channel, Mr. Last Born Comedy. So help me share this program among friends and relatives. But don't forget to tell them Baba is selling books. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.